Good evening and welcome to PTC News. Today we are going to discuss the new Cessna 402C that has come out. The PTFS Navy Blue Angels team is coming back to PTFS and the rest of what is in the new update. Let's get started. The new Cessna 402C is now out with 4 new liveries. Let's talk about it. There's the blank livery, which is blank white livery for the aircraft. Then we have a purple livery, which is white and purple aircraft with a logo of W Retreat and Spa or NG Islands. After that is the Ordnance Survey livery, which is blue, pink, and white. Livery with a logo of the Ordnance Survey. And finally, we have the stripes, which is a blank livery with blue and black stripes on it. The aircraft comes with 3 flap settings, similar to most light aircrafts. This aircraft was a community poll aircraft announced by Orange if people wanted a light aircraft or a helicopter, with the community of choosing light aircraft. Recently, the PTFS Navy Blue Angels team, owned by Keep202, the current producer of PTC News, had their Blue Angel number 2, Ray Cuban, announce the PNBA Blue Angels has come back for the 2024 season.
Copy 7.4, roger. Send a maintain 2000. Send a maintain 2074.
Now on to our final segment is the rest of this amazing update. This update includes an FOV slider, which can be disabled in GUI options, free cam available on mobile, which has an icon in the top left corner of the screen, with the ATC Game Pass bot, the ability to disable night in options, and other bug fixes with the AN225 and smoke for display aircrafts. That's all we have time for today. My name is Beaver with the PTC News, your number one stop shop for all PTCFS content you want. Thank you for watching and have a great day.